Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to protect electronics. Next, remove the trunk trim or tailgate panel. You need access to the camera harness and mounting bolts. Once the panel is off, locate the camera harness near the license lamp or latch and visually inspect for corrosion or loose pins. Make sure to label fasteners so reassembly is smooth. This step lets you see the exact connector and mounting, and it prevents accidental damage when you begin repairs. You now verify power and ground with a multimeter. Probe the camera connector for 12V when reverse gear is on and check ground continuity to chassis. If voltage is absent, trace back to fuse and reverse light circuit. If present, the issue is likely camera or connector corrosion. Clean contacts with contact cleaner and a small brush, then retest. For frayed wiring, splice using solder and heat shrink for a reliable repair, or swap in a replacement harness to restore a solid connection. You remove the camera module and install the new unit, making sure the lens and bracket alignment match the original. Once installed, reconnect the battery and test the camera by engaging reverse. Check for a clear, centered image. If the picture is fine, reassemble the trim and secure fasteners. If the image is still missing or distorted, make sure the ground is clean, verify the backup fuse and reverse signal, and confirm the bracket isn't misaligned. Those fixes solve most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.